Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios. And today I thought, you know what, let's go into the Benson Street blog and let's go ahead and see if we can create a replica of her adorable Minion DIY Twinkies. Now, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought this would be a great project for you to work on with your kids that you could create, and then you'd be able to send them into school. All the Twinkies are wrapped, so again, a win-win here for all the kids. And you can go out to her website and download the pattern, or the other option would be to go in and create your own version, which is what I'm doing, only because I want to give my daughter a little extra space to be able to write her name. These are looking absolutely adorable. I think they are going to be the perfect Valentine's Day cards for the kids. Once I get this all set, I'm going to take this into a Word program. So that could be Microsoft Word. I could take it to Google Docs. I could take it even to Canva Docs. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do layout on the page that I'm going to print. So I'm going to take this graphic and I'm going to put it on the page to the correct size that I need, which is about 4 inches, which means I think we're going to get about 4 of them on a page with a little extra at the bottom, which is totally fine. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and maybe I'll have my daughters use that extra space to make like bookmarks or something. I don't know. But once we get them all set, we're going to go ahead and take them and run them through the printer, and then we're going to go ahead and put them on like a pink cardstock. Now, if you say, well, I don't have a printer, you always can go on Kinko's or, a printing company online. They could print them for you. There's usually many places within your own area, if you Google that they'll actually do the printing for you, and you can choose the color paper that you want, which you might want to do. My ink was running low when I did it, and it was very weirdly smeary, which was kind of a bummer. But anyway, so then what I'm going to do is take my Brother Scan and Cut, which if you think about a die cut, you need to have that little metal piece. You need to run it through. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing that too. My favorite tool of choice of this is the Brother Scan and Cut. I really like it. I'm very happy with it. It does a nice job. And again, that's not sponsored. That's because I really like it. I purchased this one on my own, the whole bit. And it's funny because for the first year that I had it, I hardly used it because I was like, oh my gosh, this is so intimidating. And then I played around with it and started making videos so that I had to play with it. And I realized that it's so much easier than I thought. So like, for example, if I stamp an entire page full of images, I could color them all, take them to the Brother Scan and Cut. It'll find the edges and cut them for me. So example here, I want it to cut out all those circles. So I'm going to say, cool, find the outline to this circle, cut it right up to the black circle edge. I could have added like a white ring around it, which I potentially could have. Maybe I should have, but I didn't. And then what I'm going to do is once I get this cut out, I'm going to take the gray circles I cut, the white circles I cut, and I'm going to have my daughter draw like an eyeball in the middle and start to assemble the actual Minion single goggle, if you will. And then I'm having her cut out all those cute little pink hearts with her childproof scissors. Again, fun project for her because then she feels like she was part of it. It was an adventure for her to create, and then when she gives them to her friends, they'll say, oh my gosh, this is so cute, and she'll be super happy that she did them. We are using glitter pens. As a side note, don't forget to go ahead and like this video and subscribe. It means a lot to me. We do a lot of crafting, stamping, adventures, and I do a lot of Canva because a lot of people have been asking for that. But again, I love to kind of share all these creative adventures. So from here, we're going to go ahead and get everything assembled. And once that's ready, we will actually put together the final minions. It is so much fun to watch your child kind of do some of this stuff and know that you're teaching them skills that maybe they'll do someday. And I love this. It's so adorable. So you can see I'm having her now glue all the little eyeballs to their little headbands. Those will be what will go around the Twinkies to make it look like, you know, it'll hold it on one. But two, then we can actually slide the little Valentine heart under the goggle and it'll hold it perfectly, almost kind of like a little belt. And you can see now we're in assemble mode. So we're going to go ahead and add all the goggles to all the Twinkies. And I enlisted my husband to help as well so that she was able to focus and get them completed. All right, so here's how the little goggles look on the little belt, and we just slide the handwritten note right inside. So adorable. I think the kids are gonna love these. I think these are such a fun thing. Now, we did this last year, so I'm sharing it with you now, but I can tell you her class did love it. It was a nice surprise, so thank you again for watching. Be sure to visit my website, which is JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Go ahead and like this video and comment, and then don't forget to subscribe. I'm working toward 3,000 subscribers. We'll have to do something really fun when we get to that point. So be sure to tell your friends, you go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care.